Yeah. Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for ear sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Paka-search na lang siya sa Facebook and TikTok. Ganon din ang aking TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Let's start your reading. Bago ko simulan, hinaan na lang ang volume. Medyo magka-cleansing lang po ako using Tibetan Bell. So, medyo maingay po ito. Okay, so, start na natin. Okay, so this is for the sign of air sign. For air sign, please, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Main energy, messages, yan, dreams. I see this as not just a dream, pero may mga sign dito na nakikita tayo. And you need to be guarded. Huwag mong pigilan yung mga sign na yon. Like, huwag mong kontrahin. Those signs is, you need to listen to those signs. Kailangan makinig sa iyong signs. Especially if you ask for it. Nanghingi ka ng senyales, nanghingi ka ng sign, you ask for it. So, huwag mo pilit. Sign na yon. No? And then, in your pagdating sa iyong dreams, you have to listen to your dreams. You have to see this as a sign. And kasi yung iba sa inyo matigas ulo mo. Kahit hindi pa ngayon, talagang matigas na ulo mo. Dati pa. You are born like that. Kabataan mo palang matigas na ulo mo. And ngayon, maybe naging mas spiritual kang ang tao, but the problem is matigas pa rin ang ulo mo. Hindi man sa mga taong nandyan sa paligid mo, but rather sa kung hindi man sa paligid mo ay sa mo mismo, sa spirit guides mo, matigas ang ulo mo. So, tell me more. Ayan, nilabas. You do have here illusion, confusion. I feel like may mga bagay na parang paniniwalaan ka, and ito yung magiging dahilan para kontrahin mo yung mga sign na ibinibigay sa'yo. You do have your deception. So, I can see some of you may mga someone or something is watching you, and they're there parang nakaantabay, nakabantay. These people are trying to they see you as someone na mahina. They see you as someone who is weak. Pero hindi mo pinapakita or pinaparamdam yon. You do have your stability. So, be careful. Medyo nakikita natin na mainit ang mata ngayon sa iyo ng tao, especially with regards to your career. medyo tingin nila mabilis ka bumigay. And you do have here transcendence or unity. You need someone to help you, no, na ma-achieve yung goals mo. Or you need someone na nakikita kung ano yung sitwasyon mo, and you have to ask din sa kanila kung anong palagay nila, anong tingin nila. Because hindi mo nakikita masyado yung sitwasyon sa kung paano nakikita ito ng ibang tao. And I feel like you do have your trust. This is the right time na maniwala ka sa sasabihin ng ibang tao regarding sa'yo, sa kung anong paningin nila dito. So, if you think something is mali, tapos sinabi sa'yo ng ibang tao na wag kang magtiwala, wag kang maniwala, ganito, ganyan, mali yan, ganito, ganyan, maniwala ka. Kasi might be hindi mo nakikita yung mga bagay na nakikita nila, hindi mo nararamdaman yung mga bagay na nararamdaman nila, hindi mo na-experience yung mga na-experience nila. So, if they say na wag mong paniwalaan, wag kang bumigay, maniwala ka. Because maybe it will be too late bago mo marirealize yung mga bagay na yun. This is not the right time na ikaw ang nagdidesisyon para sa sarili mo. Hayaan mo muna ang ibang tao ang magdesisyon para sa'yo. There's an offer here. It's a very beautiful offer. I can see a message. Pero, ang message sa'yo is like, you need to take care of yourself. Watch yourself. Magpahinga, some of you. Don't take the offer. Some of you, the message is don't take the offer. Why? Bigyan mo na limitasyon ng sarili mo. Kung feeling mo yung natatakot ka, kinakabahan ka, hindi ka sure, then you have to believe that. Dahil may mga pagbagsak or hindi ka inaasahan na pangyayaring maaaring mangyayari sa'yo. And you have to guard yourself. Protektahan mo ang sarili mo. Lumayo ka dito sa mga tinatago kung ano man yung mga katotohanan dito. Okay? Air sign. What is the message for you in the near future for air sign? Self-worth. Expectations and inner child. You have to be more playful. Diba? Bring your inner child. Mag-focus ka na lang doon sa inner child mo. Inner child is meaning your talent, mga hobbies mo, makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Or maybe literal na mga kabataan ito. Literal na bata. Dito na lang mag-focus. Huwag mo nang tignan kung ano yung magiging tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. In the future, you will... Actually, ito in near future, pero this is like an advice na rin. Na mag-focus ka sa yung purpose, mag-focus ka kung ano yung linya mo, kung ano ka talaga, kung ano. And there's this offer here in the near future for you. Tell me about the offer. Self-care and thoughts. So, ang offer para sa'yo is to huwag ka masyado mag-isip. Parang gano'n yun. To take care of yourself. Huwag kang... There's this Venus sign. Or Venus planet here. And the Venus is all about love. Tell me about this. Someone in the past. Parang sa lahat ng reading ko, puro past energy ang lumalabas. And it is because there's this Mercury retrograde, no? So, talagang pag nagkakaroon ng Mercury retrograde, ay nagkakaroon ng mga past energy or ex or mga past person, past lovers na bumabalik. And you do have your guilt and sabotage. So this person is going to remember or help you. And there's this union. So, hindi ko naman sinabi na yung pagbabalik ng taong to is mali. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na itong pagbabalik ng taong to is pangit. Dahil, kasi pwede naman bumalik pero maging mas mag-work out naman, mas maging maayos. There's this messages. May message na marireceive ka mula dito sa past person na to who is dinistansya niya yung sarili niya sa'yo in the past, but I feel like this person will give you assistance here. So, pwedeng tulungan ka nitong taong ito. Like, huwag kang matakot. You will try as much as possible na magpakatapang, but because nagfo-focus ka sa mga bagay na nawala or nawawala sa'yo eh. Anyway, yeah. I feel like this person is coming back. And maaaring magbigay ito ng confusion para sa'yo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.